Hey, in this video, I want to share 7 ideas on how you can make your home look more expensive. These are all DIYs. These are all super easy and mostly affordable. This may come as some surprise, but I miss you. My first idea is to use an LED mirror. Now this mirror is huge. You don't have to get one this big, but if it weren't for this LED mirror, I don't think the bathroom would be looking as cute. If your bathroom is small, no problem. This LED mirror here from In Use was for like a few $100s. You can get yourself a really cute LED mirror. So In Use, I just want to highlight this company real quick because they have like so many different options, totally customizable. This is basically a smart mirror. You can have Bluetooth, weather, radio, anti-fog, all these different functions. But if you want to elevate your space, big or small, definitely opt for an LED mirror. Another way, if you don't want to install an LED mirror and you already have an existing mirror, is to make a frame. Now I've done this on several of my bathrooms, and all you need to do is take some wood, cut it with some miter shears. I'll link the perfect miter shears below. They cut through wood trim so easily. I've done this on 2 of my bathrooms. Super easy. Another way to make your home look more expensive is to swap out your hardware. Now don't just go to Lowe's, don't just go to Home Depot, go to a more like curated boutique. Right here I went to Belmont Hardware. They had so many options to choose from. I really like the marble, I really like the swervy details in those designs. But yes, swapping out your hardware is an easy way to make a really simple product look more elevated. Okay, so the ones that I wanted, of course, had a 4-week lead time. So I wanted to pick up something today and swap out my gold ones. So I opted for these silver with a twisted design. They're classy, they're understated, and I'm really into mixing metals right now. I think it gives a curated and a luxe look. And so I thought they went really well with my bar area. Another way to make your home look more expensive is to use oversized art. Now I know oversized art can be kind of pricey, so I suggest going to Michael's, getting some canvas, and painting your own art. I've added oversized art in my dining room, I've added it in my bathroom, and if you don't want to start from scratch, go pick up something that's ready-made. And if you don't like it, you can zhuzh it up. Like this one, for example. I picked this piece out for my daughter's bathroom. Okay, so this tip right here, you guys have to agree with this one. So basically, floor to ceiling drapes. This is my most complimented decor choice in my home. Everyone that comes over asks me, how did I get my drapes to hang from the ceiling? How can they do this in their home? It's really simple. It's actually one of my most popular YouTube videos. I have a DIY on this. If I can remember, I'll link it below. But definitely floor to ceiling drapes. This tip might be the most costly, but it's statement furniture. I have a whole video on how you can get affordable dupes on Alibaba from some of your favorite designers. But yes, statement furniture will definitely leave people with something to remember. Another way to elevate your space would be to apply some sort of stone detail around your doorway, on your backsplash, on the top of your tables, on the top of your cabinets. There's so many ways that you can add natural stone, and I really think it gives you that warm, modern, organic feel. And if you're not into that look, just adding some stone elements throughout your house will totally make your home look way more expensive. Another way to elevate your home, your space, is to add a niche wall. Now I have a video on my YouTube, a DIY, on how you can follow these steps and put one in your own home, but it definitely adds that one-of-a-kind look, especially to a builder-grade home if you have. Okay, this is probably the most underrated way to make your home look more expensive, but I think if you pare back your console table, your media cabinets, your coffee tables, your shelves, and you're more intentional with items you place on it, it makes your home look more expansive, more intentional, basically more luxe. Just kind of lean into the white space. I know it's hard, but sometimes less is more. Okay, my last and final idea on how to make your home look more expensive would be to put something super oversized in your entryway. Having something oversized and more grand in your entryway really sets the tone. Okay friends, I'm ending the video here. Let me know if anything resonated with you. So many items didn't even make the list. I could have went on and on, but then it was like, it wouldn't be as curated if I had a super long list. Anyhow, let me know if anything resonated with you or if anything was a flop. And I'll see you guys next time.